This is the 1998 Mitsubishi Pajero Junior Flying Pug. It has the 4A31 1.1 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine. It does come with an automatic transmission. This Pajero has 72,102 miles. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the exterior of the vehicle. Or I mean the interior of the vehicle, sorry.
Bluetooth mode.
As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out.
Bluetooth mode.
They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. So that number that you're seeing, 116,109, that is the kilometers. The miles on this vehicle, again, is 72,102. I just want to tell you guys thank you. We appreciate all the support. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.